Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger. If you have a Dodge Charger, you have a problem where the OBD port, also known as Diagnostic Port, does not work. Stay with us, we'll explain the most common reasons for that guys, what to check and what you need to do in some cases. All that will be covered in this video today, so make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos and we can keep saving you money guys. If you need to buy parts too, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get them at a really good price, quick shipping. Now, it should work on V6, V8. The OBD Diagnostic Port, practically it's all the same guys. Doesn't matter if you have a 3.6, if you have the Hemi engine, 6.2, 6.4, it will work on all of these. Our specific engine here is a 3.6 V6 engine. So let's say OBD port does not work. What do you need to check? The number one thing that you need to check guys, it's an OBD fuse. You have a special OBD fuse, OBD port fuse, but it's not in that fuse box here. It's hidden guys. And if you want to check out where the OBD port fuse is located, check out our second YouTube channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. We have a complete video about OBD port fuse. Now, if that fuse, okay, you checked it and it's still not working, you still cannot connect your OBD's reader diagnostic to the car, what else could be? Stay with us, we'll cover that. Before we continue, many of you by the way requested that information in the comment section under our videos to recommend a good diagnostic tool. This is one of the best tools that you can that we have used in that price range and that practically you can get in my opinion guys. We'll share the link in the description of the video below if you want to check current price and features, but practically it works on almost any car you can think of. Check out all the different cars that are supported here. It's amazing, and you can access every computer system in your car, read codes, delete codes, and see live data for every computer system. And some of these new cars, like that BMW here, has over guys 60 computers. So a tool like that, it's something that you need in order to be able to fix the car. But what else can be causing that OBD not to work correctly now? So if we come right here, let me show you now, this is the OBD port. We have the cover here connected. Now, as you know, Dodge Chargers and Challengers are one of the most stolen cars in the US here guys. Not just here, practically. Here they're very popular. Overseas they steal them again because they're very rare. It's exotics, they're practically right. And you can see we remove the cover here, but that's the OBD port. Now, the OBD port guys, if yours just when you connect it, you get a light and you get power to the scanner, but nothing else works, okay? It could mean one thing, okay? You may actually guys have a problem where we have here the cover removed so we can show you. But right here you may have okay, make sure that you have all the wires on the OBD port, because sometimes people rewire them. It's called a dummy port, okay? What you do, you remove that port now from here, you remove it, push it up in the dash, and you connect another port, another extension port to that one guys, and from there, pretty easily, you're going to put the dummy port here that will give you power, but it will not connect to the scanner, it will not do anything, and the real port you're going to reroute maybe to the passenger side or somewhere hidden, because people use actually devices to steal them through the OBD port. Another thing, sometimes people practically disconnect the wires on top, like they make like a switch on top, and we've seen that happen as well. But dummy port guys and a bad fuse will be the number one thing. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.